Hello friends, today I will teach you how to make stockpile report in Surpac. So first of all I have to set the working folder. Suppose this is my working folder, I have to set is as my working folder set as work directory. Now I have to click in this option, it will set as work directory. As you can see, the green tick has been created, that means it is my work directory, okay, has been selected. Now I have two data, one is ground data and another is stockpile data. So I have to make the base of the stockpile, which is ground data. I need to drag it in the working panel, working area, you can say. So as you can see, some points is there, you can see in 3D also. This is the same level, means ground level. Now I have to go to the surface, then create DTM from layer, apply. As you can see, DTM has been created, okay. Then I have to save it, ground DTM, apply. As you can see, ground data DTM has been created. Going to refresh the graphics. Now the stockpile data will be imported in the same working area. As you can see, the surveyed data has been shown on the working panel. Same way I have to make the surface DTM. Same process, apply. As you can see, the DTM of the top or the stockpile has been created. So I have to save it again to show the DTM here. Stockpile data is the name of the DTM file. So as you can see, the stockpile data DTM has been created. So next I need to refresh again. Now I will bring the ground data first. As you can see, this is the ground data of the DTM file of the ground data. Now I will drag the final layer or the stockpile data up on the ground data. As you can see, this is a stockpile shape has been created. So now I have to calculate the volume. So I need to go surface, then contouring, the volume, net volume between DTMs. As I have two files, now I have to choose the base or the top. I will choose the top. The stockpile data is my top, so I have to choose this. Now I am going to choose the ground data as a base data, or you can say, okay. Now click on apply, or I need to detail report, then click on the detail report and then apply. Where it is asking define the file where I need to create it. I will create in the Surpac folder, file name volume calculation. Now I have to save, okay. I will save it as a CSV format. Click on apply. Now going to the folder, as you can see, the volume calculation CSV has been created. Now I will open this. So as you can see, the total volume net is coming 13589, okay. Now the tonnage has been coming 13589, as I put the density as 1, that's why the tonnage is same, okay. So here it is given the total details of the stockpile. DTM file name, stockpile data DTM, ground data DTM is the name of the DTM file. Number of data points in the stockpile data, that means the upper top level data point number is 94 and the ground level data point number is 24. Number of triangles has been created in the Surpac is 169 for the stockpile data. That means the stockpile or the upper data of the from the ground. Okay, and the ground data, it's created the triangle number is 39. Okay, Z minimum and Z maximum means what is the upper level and the down level of the stockpile, same as ground data. The volume of the datum, total volume of the stockpile, that means the main stockpile which has been surveyed by the surveyor is coming this, and the ground data, that means the base of the stockpile is shown that volume. Now if I minus from the, this is the same as, because the stockpile volume is the difference between the stockpile and the ground level. Hope you can understand this. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and comments. Thank you so much. That's